now like to invite Dr. Pramod Sawant to please address the gathering.
For the inaugural function of Goa Chamber of IACC, along with me, the guest of honor, the Indian Consul General from New York, Mr. Randir Jaiswal, the guest of honor, Indian Consul General, Georgia, Atlanta, Dr. Swati Kulkarni, the guest of honor, Indian Consul General, Houston, Texas, Mr. Asim Mahajan, the National President of Indo-American Chamber, Mr. Purnananda Rao Surapani, the Regional President, the West Council, Mr. Naushad Panjwani, and the Vice President, Mr. Saurabh Shah, and the founding members of the Goa chapter of IACC, the ladies and gentlemen. Goa is one of the smallest states in India and is gifted with the natural beauty and cultural diversity. It has been a premier touristic destination for the many years, drawing the tourists from the various parts of the world. It is a very high literacy rate, and our people are known for our generous hospitality all over the Goa. The Goa is also permanent venue for International Film Festival. Goa is strategically located and gateway to Europe with all the amenities to be the prominent export hub. Our infrastructure is being constantly upgraded to meet the demand of our people and to facilitate the increased economic activity with others. The lot of emphasis is placed on the skill development to make available the skilled manpower to meet our requirement. Our healthcare facility is one of the finest in the country. The good air quality, water quality makes the Goa a pleasant place to live and work. We do have the long association with the United States of America. The many of our Goan students are studying in US. In fact, the part of the Vibrant Goa Summit, we have the road show in 4 different cities in US for the last year. The BNI, Rotary, the Lions, JCI, the international organization having the strong US connect. We work together for the many projects with the benefit of our state. Our business associations are very proactive and have an important role to play to taking the economy forward. The Goa Chamber of Commerce, the Goa Pharmaceutical Manufacturing Association, Goa Small Industry Association, the Travel and Tourism Association, besides the other business associations, are very closely with the government to improve the economic activity of the state. The pharmaceutical industry, with an annual turnover of the 18,000 crores last year, is one of the mainstay of our economy and have been exporting the products to the US and the rest of the world. The IACC, the member companies, including the whole range of the India and American companies, involve the cross-section of the business domain such as manufacturing, engineering, the construction, the consumer goods, electronics, IT, pharmaceuticals, consulting, the travel and tourism, etc. I will have a US companies invest in the Goa through the 100% FDI route. My government will have the red carpet to such investment. Our investment promotional board will facilitate the investment on a priority basis with all clearances to the single window system. We have one of the lowest industrial power tariff in country and several incentives in setting up of the industry in the state. My government will focus the area including the setting up of the educational hub, the knowledge-based industry, entertainment hubs, the film city, wherein we can have the world's premier educational industry setting up their campuses with the new IT and startup promotion policy, the aim to attracting the top-tier new wages tech startup, and the state has providing the requisite infrastructures for the growth of startup in the state. We expect a lot of investment income to the knowledge process, outsourcing the IT industries and focusing on the developing, consulting, designing, emanation services. We have the public-private partnership cell that can also facilitate the private investment. We are in the process of setting up of Greenfield electronic manufacturing cluster very close to new airport. The dedicated facilities, we have the best electronic products and component manufacture, have ancillary units such as the surveillance electronics, defense, consumer electronics, electronics toys, etc. I would like to invite the member of the chambers to set up their units there in Goa. Also, the India's first marine cluster to taking shape in Goa, and this will give the boost to the manufacturing of the world-class marine product that build the shipbuilding in the entire to the world from Goa. The major portion of the goods manufacturing in the state are meant for export, and hence the state in the process of partnering with the private sector and the central government to enhance the infrastructure for the state for export. The new Mopa International Airport will ready within 2 years of time and also available for the export. We have the seaport railways within the radius of the 40 kilometers from the airport in the right recipe to increase the trade and investment and export-led growth. The Goa has an enormous potential when it comes to the health and wellness sector, and hence the state plans to undertake the strategic mapped and developed the state as a healthcare hub. The medical tourism, and we are promoting the big way, and with the healthcare sector showing the substantial growth with providing the additional infrastructure facilities for the growth of the sector. We have a lot of scope in the investment in the medical tourism, the medical plants processing, aviation, avionics and maintenance, the repair and overhaul the aircraft, design sectors, automations and the robotic besides the other industries. I am extremely pleased to Indo-American Chamber of Commerce to extend this chapter in Goa. The launch of AICC Goa chapter will give the opportunity to our businessmen and industries to work together to facilitate together economics and socio-culture between the India and USA in some of the domains. I will also especially for Mr. Naushad Panjwani, the regional head of AICC, for organizing this function, and especially he had called me for this inaugural function. So once again, I welcome all of you for establishing this chapter here. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you very much, Dr. Pramod Sawant, the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa. Let's hear a louder round of applause for our Chief Minister. I'd like to now invite the President of the Indo-American International Chamber of Commerce, Mr. K.V. Kumar, and he is joining us from Washington, D.C.
Thank you. On behalf of Indian American International Chamber of Commerce, I greet you, Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, National President Mr. Rao, Regional President Mr. Panjwani, Council Generals Dr. Swati Kulkarni, Mr. Randhir Jaswal, and Council General Mr. Rasim Mahajan. And congratulate IACC for launching its Goa chapter and wish the chapter all the best. As we have worked with Dr. Kulkarni in Southeast region, we have done a remarkable work with them, with Dr. Kulkarni. She has been very supportive of expanding trade and business between US and India. So has New York and Consul Generals in New York and also in Houston. And we have worked. I have worked formerly with the Ambassador of India and other Consul Generals. We look forward to working on new projects. We are now working with Karnataka State Government on Georgia project and we will do that if Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Minister Pramod Sawant wants to have us in Goa. We will start one chapter of our chamber and also bring investments from the United States to Goa. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. K.V. Rao. I'd like to inform Dr. Pramod Sawant. We have 44 members who have joined so far at the Goa desk. And we have one patron member, Mr. Ashok Chogle, who is our first patron member. Well, now it's time to request Mr. Ashok Motwani, and he would like to present his book, The Indus Water Story, to the Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant. Mr. Ashok Motwani? Yeah. Along with the ISCC members, Mr. Naushad Panjwani, Mr. Rao, Mr. Saurav Shah.
The title of the book is The Indus Water Story. This is somewhere after the Balakot thing happened. There were statements from politicians regarding the diversion of the river and stopping, water to Pakistan, etc. So we were summoned, and this book has taken about 1 year. We finished it in March, actually. It is weighted by the ministry. And that copy was expected before 4 o'clock from Delhi, and I was to present a copy to him. And officially this book will be released on 28th of October by Mananiya Venkaiah Naidu ji. And I don't know whether we have time to tell about the book per se, but it's very important, and Prime Minister's instructions were there. And Lok Sabha TV has made a 18 minutes documentary on this, where Shekhawat ji and we have figured in it. That link I'll share with members, and that will explain. Yeah, it will be a pleasure. And
yes.
Also I would like to present, this is of your interest, this is value education programs which we are running on Doordarshan National Channel Prime Time. You might have seen some of them, and now they have started in Marathi also, and international DD Bharati also we are doing. So I request you to accept this.
Thank you, Mr. Ashok Motwani. It's going to be a really exciting book once we get it. Hold on. We'd also like to present a gift on behalf of the Indian American Chamber of Commerce Goa chapter. One of our members from the Champions Group would like to present a small gift hamper to the Honorable Chief Minister, and I request Mr. Naushad Panjwani to present the hamper. I'd also like to find out whether Mr. Ashok Chogle has come or any representative. Okay. A representative? Would you like to come up, please?
Thank you for the digital copy of the new version of regarding the digital education system, and also thanks specially for that how many trees you have grown? 10 trees. Where it is?
Sundarban's West Bengal.
Sundarban. Well, I'll come to the Sundarban to see that.
You can see on the website.
Thank you. Thank you for the special gift.